I love it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to hop on here and share this with you guys. I got, yes, I got it. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I had a lot of time to do research. I've been wanting to get a phone for a while now. So the phone that I currently have is the iPhone, what is this? I think it's the 8. Yeah, it's the 8. I have this one right here, which it's the rose gold 8. It has the mini camera. So I'm gonna be switching that. Well, we did switch it, so that's hence the little packaging that I was so wanting to open with you guys, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one up. I did get this one in the Pacific Blue in the 128 gigabytes video, so I'm hoping this will be enough. This is the, I don't know why it's not focusing. There you go. This is the box, a lot thinner, just because you know that you're only getting just the phone and the cable charger. You're not getting the brick or the earphones, because we all know Apple is trying to be eco-friendly, which I'm all about. So let's go ahead and see her. There she is, you guys. I love this blue. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I am in love with it. And this camera is wicked, you guys. Look at that. It's so wicked. So here it is. It's pretty decent sized. Hoping you can see how the cameras pop up. So it has this little flap right here. Oh, look at the sides, you guys. It is so pretty. Hoping you can see the sides. Look at that. It is so beautiful. So on here, it does tell you what each button is. Like, that's the silencer, the volume up, down, and then the power button right here on this side. And then you have your, what is it called? Your SIM card right here on this side. I don't know what this is right here, but we will see. Okay, so in the box right here, you get, like I said, the charger. It's got the lightning charger right here. But the only thing difference is this piece, and that is for the faster charging brick, which I don't have, but it still works with my original charger. It's just not as fast of a charge, is what I read. So you do get your instructions right here, designed by Apple in California. And you do get your SIM card, little thing to pop out the SIM card right here. And then you get your instructions right here, as well as the infamous sticker. I never use these. I have so many. I'm kind of glad they didn't put 2 in there. I wish they didn't send any, but oh well. So that's it that you get in your box. So like I said, I went ahead and it's already set up. I went ahead and transferred over all of my Look at that, you guys. You can see my camera. Look at that. It is gorgeous. I don't know what that is. Something just got on there. Look at her, you guys. She's beautiful. She is beautiful. And I didn't think I would like the blue as much as I do. I've always had like the silver or the gold or the rose gold. But yes, I'm loving her. Set it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. Once you press that, and then it'll start up. It'll take a few minutes to come up, or whatever, a few seconds. So once it pops up, it'll just, I mean, the screen is just massive. I love, like I got everything transferred over the phone because I couldn't do it in store because supposedly the guy didn't know. I don't even know. But look how large the screen is. Let me compare my old phone. Like, it's such a difference. If you're changing from an 8 to a 12. And on the 12, I love how it is squared off. I'm shaking because I don't want to drop it. I love how it's squared off like that. It reminds me of the very first iPhone that I purchased, which was the 5, if I'm not mistaken. But look at the difference. So it's a lot bigger. It's definitely heavier. I'm gonna do the face recognition because that's the only thing I didn't do. All I did was transfer over all of my information. So on this one, there is no home screen. So you just have this line down here, and what you're supposed to do is just swipe up and it'll automatically bring you to your apps. It's gonna take a little getting used to because I was so used to the home button right here. And look how the screen different, how bigger the screen is. I don't know if this one's gonna turn on, maybe not. But this one is all screen. It goes from the bottom to the top. You still have that little part right here where it's not screened. Okay guys, so now I'm just trying to set it up. Let me just go to my settings and do the face recognition. So right here we're gonna do the Face ID. Okay, how to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. Let's do this. And complete. Face ID is now set up. Great. So now is the exciting part. So I don't want to get it scratched up or anything. So I did get a couple of accessories for it. So I ordered a glass screen protector and a loopy case. I waited a while for them to come in, so let's go ahead and open them up. So here it is here. I got this one. This one I think was $20. So I have it right here. So let's take it out of here. Little envelope. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Here is the tempered glass right here. So it gives you instructions on how to install the glass wipey or a cloth thing, and then it comes with a sticker. The thing I got was the actual case. I love it. So this one has been sold out for a while now, so I had to be put on a waiting list. They did restock, which they sent me an email, and I picked this one up as well as the interchangeable loop strap right here. Okay. So here is the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and, let's see, clean the screen, use enclosed dust remover sticker, and wiping cloth to clean the screen and pick up dust. So that is that. So now here are the stickers to remove the dust.
I'm just taking
You're sick.
I see an air bubble.
okay.
Oh, great. Okay, well, it's done. Okay. Okay, guys, I don't know if the sun is going down or something happened to my camera, but I feel like it's not focusing. But anyways, if you saw, my husband had to help me because I had a panic attack putting it on. It looks great. There is one bubble. I don't know how long that's gonna annoy me, but you probably won't be able to see it, but it's right there. Oh, you probably can't see it, but I see it. But anyways, so that is that. So it tells you right here on what the glass has. I will go ahead and link these at the bottom, this and the case. So let's go ahead and put on my case. So I'm probably gonna be getting a few more cases. Oh my gosh. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. I know it's blue, but I don't care. I love it. Oh, and it fits so good. It fits really good, you guys. But here, for my 8, and this is for my 12. The difference there. I love everything about the case. So if you have any questions, comment down below, let me know. But I will go ahead and link all the products in the description box. So if you were interested, you can go ahead and check them out. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.